As we continue walking alongside Jesus through the Old Testament, students learn that Jesus is our watchful brother in the story of Cain and Abel. In the first section of the lesson, students color code Genesis 4 by underlining actions, thoughts, motivations, and things said to or about the brothers for a deep dive into the text. Through the use of a fun worksheet, students are asked to imagine what the mark of Cain may have looked like and where it may have been on Cain's body. The key verse in this story is God's warning to Cain in Genesis 4:7. Sin is crouching at the door. You must rule over it. This leads your students into an action-packed game called The Crouching Penny, a class participation activity with students moving pennies along their own game boards. Students must crouch and swerve to avoid incoming game cards wadded up as rocks thrown at them by the teacher. These life choice cards move pennies, representing our offerings to God, along the 4 paths. The final section of the lesson answers the question, what have I learned about Jesus today? As we dip into Hebrews 11, the Hall of Faith chapter. Students learn that Abel gets notable mention because of his faithful offering to God. We only need to skip ahead a few verses to find where we see Jesus foreshadowed in the life of Abel. And to Jesus, the mediator of a new covenant, and to the sprinkled blood that speaks a better word than the blood of Abel. Students each sign their name on the watchful brother stepping stone, and it is added to the wall alongside all the previous stepping stones in this series to create a path proving that they are indeed walking alongside Jesus.